Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the Spring FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription lifestyle box. You're going to get home goods, beauty goods, makeup, skincare, jewelry, all kinds of fun stuff, even apparel, bags, shoes, everything. So this is a really fun subscription. There are two ways to sign up. You can sign up as a seasonal member for $69.99 per season, which would be spring, summer, winter, and fall. Or you can become an annual member, and that makes it $54.99 per season, but you pay all at once. Regardless of which one you choose, they are all customizable. You will get 6 categories to choose from, so you can choose each of your products that you're going to get. You can add add-ons out of each category if you want more than one thing, and then once you've completed your box, there's even more add-ons you can add to your box. So it's never-ending add-ons, but it's really fun. There are advantages to being an annual member besides saving the $5 or so per season. You will get early access to add-ons before the customization. You will get early access to the customization itself, which is good because some of the really popular products will sell out or run out before the seasonal membership customization opens. So it gives you a better chance of getting your favorite products if you choose the annual. But it's great fun either way. I am an annual member, so mine renews in the fall, and this is now our spring box. It's not a very big box. The size of your box really depends on the items that you choose. I could have picked bigger products and probably gotten a bigger box, but I didn't. So this box being for spring, it says FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices, and it says Spring 2025 FabFitFun. So we're going to check out what's inside the Spring FabFitFun box. Before we do that, I would ask you, if you do like this video and you enjoy it and you get some good out of it, I'd love for you to hit like for me. If you do like my videos and want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. But for now, let's check and see what's inside this box. All right, as we get into the box, the first thing you see is it's curated in California. FabFitFun is based out of California. There's a QR code at the top to enter a drawing. And the inside of the box is decorated so cute. Even before you open it, you've got spring flowers. You've got a bloom on the lid. This is so cute. And inside it says spring things. So every season, the box is unique to that season and decorated appropriately for the season. So it's really fun. I will say the packing is this, but everything that comes in here is well packaged by itself usually, or doesn't require extra padding. I've only ever had one product come damaged, and it was a shampoo that had leaked, and it had nothing to do with the packaging. I think it was just, for some reason, that particular one leaked. It may have been the pressure and shipping, who knows. But it wasn't FabFitFun's fault, it was just the packaging. You also get coupons and different things for other advertisements in the box. And this is my box. So we're going to start off with what is in customization 1. Okay, so I've got my customization list on my phone so I can remember what was each customization. So customization 1, I picked the Glow Recipe, and this is Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. So we got a Glow Recipe toner in the Cloudberry fragrance. And Glow Recipe's packaging is always so stinking cute. It has the little Glow Recipe label, and we have a toner. So it came in a little box inside the box, so that's nice. So this is our customization number 1. I did not add any add-ons to customization 1. We did get an extra item in our box, by the way. This is the Dove, and this is Advanced Care Dry Spray 72 hours, so that's nice. So we got a little freebie. Customization 2 was a fun one, and I have an add-on. This is my primary choice, and this is going to be a necklace. This is a Love AJ and Alyssa. So it comes in a really pretty little felt bag, and there is their logo. And wait till I show you. This is really cute. This is so pretty. This is a square, I don't know if, let me look. I'm trying to remember. Oh, it's a tennis necklace bracelet. So it's got faux diamonds in it, and it is just a really pretty necklace. And this one has a wonderful clasp, I'm just noticing. An easy to use clasp instead of being a lobster claw. it's got a nice clasp. So this was our customization 2 primary pick. Okay, so I take it back. This was actually my only choice for category 2 with the necklace. I did not have an add-on for category 2, but I did for category 3. My primary choice is this shower gel, and this is the Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. So this one just looked like a fun little add-on, and it's a really pretty bottle, and those smells should smell really good. My smeller's still not 100%, and I'm going to give it a whirl. Ooh, what I can smell of it smells amazing. This is a bath and shower gel, so shower gel for that one. The second pick, the add-on I had for that, are some earrings that will go really nicely with the necklace, so that's fun. So these are the earrings we added. Now these were a $15 add-on, and you can see those are just a perfect matchup with the necklace. They're little faux diamond studded hoops, and those are so cute. So these were our additional pick for category 3. Very fun for that one. All right, category 4, we picked a Moroccan oil hand cream, and I say we because my sister and I share this box, so we do the picks together. And this is the Amber Nior, and this is the hand cream argan oil with hyaluronic acid. So a hyaluronic acid hand cream sounds really amazing. It will help moisturize and hopefully make your hands look a little younger at the same time. So we did pick this one for our category 4 pick. Customization 5 did come a little bit open. We have a milk bronzer in baked. Now I truly did not expect this to be teensy. This is a full-size product, but this is very, very small. This is really small. I would never think this is full size. It could be that this has the same amount of product as any other brand of a cream bronzer, and they just save packaging by putting it in a teensy-weensy little thing. But it is really small, and now that I'm looking at it, it might actually be too dark for me also. So this might not be one I keep or use, but sometimes the categories just don't have any real wins in them. And that was the case for this one, but this was the best choice I could make for me at that time. So this was my category 4 pick. That was my category 5. My last category is category 6. And remember I said that I had a shampoo come that leaked, and it actually got all over stuff in my box. So this is the first hair product I've gotten that they put in a bag. It's not sealed, but if it did leak, most of it would be caught in the bag, which is nice. And this is a living proof detoxifying shampoo. I love living proof products. I use several of them already. Things I don't get in the box, I pay retail for because I like them that well. And this is a clarifying detox shampoo, and this is going to be a 8-ounce bottle, so that'll last a really good long time. It's got your little pop top. So that was our box. Again, this was $55-ish, you know, $54.99 for us as annual members. And I will put the total for what this box is worth here in the corner for you guys. But we got some really fun products in here. We got the jewelry. We did get one add-on. We got a little freebie. So all kinds of fun stuff. FabFitFun is a really fun subscription. We could have gotten a ceramic bowl. We could have gotten a purse. There's all kinds of really fun things. I do have a little snip of what the category choices were, and it's very tiny images, but I will put it up here for you guys to look and see what other opportunities I could have had to get other things. And you can still pick from a lot of these categories and subscribe for the spring box. Now you'll be able to continue to get the spring box until it's time for the summer box to start working, and then it'll be closed and you'll start getting the summer opportunities. So still sign up for spring if you want to. I will leave a link below in the description for you guys if you're interested. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.